Hello, my name is Ollie, and today I will be writing a simple program that will tell you just that, my name. And it'll also print my favorite number. So let's get right into the meat of it. We'll start by creating our folder, which you see here, C++1, in my documents folder. And this is where we'll house our files. Next, we're going to open up Visual Studio and I want to create a new file. We'll name it C101.cpp and house it in our C++ folder. Next, we'll start writing our code. We're going to start with the pound sign to include IOStream. This way we can use the cout object in order to print output to the console. Once we've included IOStream, we want to use the std namespace so that we don't have to continue writing std to use basic functions. Skip a line because it looks pretty, and then start our main function, our brackets here. Let's start our curly brackets to house everything we need in the main function. And this is where our program will officially start. So as I said, we want to use the cout object in order to print what we want to print. In this case, my name and my favorite number. Cout, our arrows, and then my name. We will end this line and then officially end it by using a semicolon. Start a new line. This time we can just type the number 3. And we can end that line as well, just for good practice, and end it with a semicolon. Next, we want to end our program, execute it successfully by returning 0, and end it with a semicolon. Now I'll just go over my code, make sure it looks good, include IOStream using namespace std, start our main function, got everything in there, and our ending brace. Now we want to run the program by opening a new terminal. As we said in the beginning of this video, is in my documents file folder. And there is in, I forgot, let's see. Yes, it is in my C++1 folder. So cd C++1. Perfect. And now we want to compile our file, which is C101.cpp. Let me make sure this is saved. Let's try that again. Perfect. And we're gonna run it. .a/ and it has run smoothly. Let's take a quick screen grab of that. we'll do it again. We'll name this one C101B.cpp. We'll house it in the same folder, C++1. Alright, we'll start by including the IO stream, using namespace std so that we can use all the C++ things. I want to end that line with a semicolon and then start our main function. Alright, we're going to enter our prints here and our curly brackets. So console out, our arrows, and then my string, which is my name is Ollie, period, in that line. And then officially end it with a semicolon. Start our new line. We're gonna print again. Just the number 3 is fine. And then we can end that line as well. We don't want it to return any errors. Just want to execute our code successfully, so return 0, and that with the semicolon, and then clearly it likes to be saved again. So let me make sure it's saved correctly. C101B. Let's replace that, and let's run our code. So G++. When did I show my open tabs? This is what we have, but we're just using VS here. G++ C101B.cpp. Alright, and now we can run this program and see what it gives us. ./a.out. Perfect. My name is Ollie, and my lucky number 3. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next week.